Sea cables are today badly protected. In order to avoid quality problems, you need to consider the long-term sustainability in projects. Let us present Snapp Panzar. Snapp Panzar is a portable subsea cable protection pipe. We have selected the most durable plastics available. Thanks to its innovative design, the pipes can be installed quickly without any tools, both in subsea applications as well as above water. The pipes can be crossed over, protect whole areas, or used when the cable breaks the water surface and several meters beyond. The cost of an individual breakdown can by far exceed the cost of using an offshore cable protection system. Our pipes are developed together with sea cable professionals, making them easy to install, protecting its contents at all times, even designed for several different terrains. Snapp Panzar, the leading subsea pipe.